Hello again to the next video of cPanel installation configuration course. Something really cool happened when I wanted to prepare this video for you. I have prepared this text file as my past knowledge for configuring of your cPanel server. Here, as you can see in the SSL part, I have prepared some SSL configurations for you, which there were two commands that you needed to connect as the SSH to your server and use this command to secure your server, your host name. But right now, surprisingly, with this new version of cPanel, I've seen that it has been automatically secured, my host name. It was really awesome because in past there were about 10 to 15 minutes configurations for that, but right now the moment I've changed the host name for my server, let me show you, server 66p themes and port 2087. Alright, I've just opened this URL and surprisingly I've seen I saw that the connection has been secured. The SSL by cPanel has been verified and it's working very good. So that's awesome, because in past it wasn't possible to do it automatically. It didn't do it automatically, but now in newer versions that's cool. So this part of the configurations you can just skip it, but just to show you what are those, let me log into my server and my password, copy paste. Alright, I've done that. Let me go ahead into the SSL certificates manager. Okay, in manage SSL certificates you can see that you can do lots of things with your certificates. Also, as you can see, let me show you in my file, you have home, manage, service, SSL certificates, exactly like here I've shown you. Alright, so that's it. You needed to configure some of these URLs before, but right now it has been automatically configured, so no need to do anything. Just go ahead and skip this part and let's continue with our configurations. This video was only to mention this one, so you don't need to do anything about SSL certifications, and that's completely pre-configured automatically. Alright, so that's okay, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.